Welcome to our video about decoding the Trent University academic timetable. The timetable is where you can find a list of all course offerings for the 2018-19 academic year. This video will provide you with information on how to access and understand the timetable, which will be useful when choosing and registering for courses. Please note that steps for registering can be found in an additional video. To get to the timetable, begin on the Trent University homepage. First, select the Menu tab in the top left-hand corner. From there, click on Academics and scroll over to the Timetable option. Under the Academic Timetable section, you will then go to the Undergraduate Academic Timetable and click on the Explore the Academic Timetable link. A timetable icon is also available on My Trent under the Academics tab, which will also bring you here. Once you're taken to this screen, you will see a chart indicating registration dates. New students and all others are eligible to register on June 25th. On this page, you will be asked to choose a term. I will choose the 2018-19 academic year. You're also asked to select a campus. I will choose the Durham campus. Please note that there are different timetables for the Durham and Peterborough campuses. As students are able to register for courses at both campuses, it's important to make sure you're choosing courses from the timetable of your desired campus. After selecting the appropriate timetable parameters, you can navigate through the courses by discipline. Choose the disciplines you're interested in, as well as the course or year level. For this demonstration, I will be choosing psychology and history-based courses. The course and course section columns indicate the discipline of the course and the course code. The 4-letter code indicates the general discipline of the course, HIST. The 4-digit number following this indicates the specific course code, HIST 1000. You will see that there are letters directly following the 4-digit code number. Each letter indicates something different. H indicates that it is a half-credit course running for either the fall or winter term. Y indicates that it is a full credit course running through both the fall and winter terms. After this, an A indicates that it is Section A of the course, while a B indicates that it is Section B of the course. W indicates that it is a web course and will take place online. Typically, there are multiple sections offered for larger courses. Please note that the days, times, and possibly instructors of Sections A and B will differ. Following this, you will then see letters indicating the term in which the course takes place. Courses taking place in the fall will be designated by F, and courses taking place in the winter will be designated by W. Courses that take place throughout the entire academic year are indicated by a Y here. The term column also designates this information, with FA meaning fall, WI meaning winter, and FW meaning both fall and winter. The status column is next. This section can either say open or closed. As long as you're viewing the timetable before the registration deadline for the correct term, the courses should be open. The next section is the synonym column. Under the synonym column, you will find a 6-digit number. This 6-digit synonym number is the number you will need to use when registering for your chosen courses. The description column of the timetable simply indicates the name of each course. Under the cross-listed section column, you will be able to see whether your chosen courses are cross-listed with other courses that are offered. Many courses are cross-listed. That is, they are offered jointly by 2 or more departments. Cross-listed courses may not be double-counted in order to fulfill degree requirements. For example, CAST 2010Y is cross-listed with POST 2010Y. It may be counted for credit as a Canadian Studies course or as a Political Studies course, but not as both. Therefore, it is important that you register in the correct section of the course. The campus, building, and room columns indicate the location and room number that the course will take place in. Courses taking place on the Trent Durham campus are indicated by Durham in the campus column and OSH in the building column. There are also a variety of web courses offered, indicated by web-based course in the campus column. The type column indicates which type of class each course will have. LEC indicates that it is a lecture, LAB indicates that it is a lab, and SEM indicates that it is a seminar. Please note that some courses involve a mixture of these types. If this is the case for one of your chosen courses, please make sure that you're registering in all applicable sections. The day column indicates the day on which the course takes place, the start column indicates the time that the course begins, and the end column indicates that the course ends. Finally, the faculty column will include the course instructors. Some documents have also been created to help you in choosing your courses. These can be found on the Trent Durham New Student Orientation page. In Step 1, you will find links to documents such as General Course Selection Advice, First-Year Course Selection, and First-Year Course Descriptions. In Step 3, there will be a video on the Visual Schedule Builder. This concludes our video about navigating the Trent University Durham academic timetable. If you require further clarification, do not hesitate to book an appointment with an academic advisor.